Hello everyone, good day. I'm Teacher Christian and welcome to our English class. I know that you're already familiar with our class rule, but let me remind you again. Number 1, always keep your surrounding clean. Number 2, raise your hand if you want to answer a question or if you have a question in mind. And lastly, number 3, respect your teacher and classmate all the time. Be quiet when someone is speaking and listen carefully. Is that clear? Very good. So before we continue with our topic for today, let me ask you first a question. Are you ready? Let's start. Have you heard of an expression that sounds strange and crazy, but doesn't mean exactly what it says? Confusing, right? Let me give you an example. Let us have this expression. Go, Sean, break a leg. Upon hearing our first expression here, what comes into your mind? Yes, Carla. That's right. At first, we think that someone is telling Sean to break his leg. That's crazy, right? So what does it really mean? It means do your best. So what do we call this kind of expression? We call it idioms. What do we call it again? Idioms. Very good. So idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what it says. Instead, they have a hidden or figurative meaning. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. Does it mean cats and dogs are falling from the sky? No. It means it's raining very hard. Now, let us have the 5 common idioms. Number 1, break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a friendly way. Number 2, hit the nail on the head. It means be exactly right. Number 3, under the weather. It means you are feeling sick. Number 4, bite the bullet. It means do something that is very difficult or unpleasant. And lastly, number 5, let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret. Now, can anyone give me a statement using one of these idioms? Okay. Yes, Tom. That's a good one. I can go to school because I'm under the weather. Let's have another one. Yes, Samantha. Very good. I let the cat out of the bag about my crush. And lastly, yes, Andre. Great job. I hit the nail on the head with my answer on the test. And that class is idioms. Now, let's wrap up what we have learned today. Idioms makes language colorful and fun. And they don't mean what they literally say. Can you think of any idioms you've heard before? Yes, Eric. Very good. Hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. It means doing 2 tasks at the same time. Another one. Yes, Jen. Great job. Rabbit hole. It means being on a situation that is very hard to escape from. And lastly, yes, Neil. That's a good one. Piece of cake. It means doing something that is very easy. And for that, let's give everyone a big hand for a job well done. That will be all for today. Goodbye and see you again tomorrow.